You want a faster, cleaner, distraction-free way to use AI, but every platform feels slow, cluttered, or limited. Then you hear about Typing Mind, a lightweight AI client that promises speed, control, and total customization. But is it really worth using in 2026? Welcome to GigaBits, where we review the most talked-about apps so you can decide what's actually worth your time and money. Today we're breaking down the Typing Mind app to see if it truly delivers what it promises. I tested Typing Mind across multiple devices: Windows, macOS, Chromebooks, and an Android tablet. I also compared performance using different AI models, including paid and free API keys. Across all tests, similar questions kept appearing. Does Typing Mind actually run faster than browser-based AI tools? Is the customization really useful? And is the subscription worth it when other platforms offer similar features? Fortunately, after many hours of use, I found clear patterns. Typing Mind claims to be the perfect AI interface, faster than ChatGPT's website, fully customizable, and with powerful workflow tools. You get custom personalities, saved prompts, memory settings, and even local data storage. But like any app that depends on external AI models, your experience heavily depends on your API key, your device, and your workflow. So let's break down the real reasons people consider Typing Mind today, and why some users are unsure if it's still the best option in 2026. Step 1. Performance and speed. Typing Mind definitely feels faster than most web-based AI tools. It loads instantly, conversations switch smoothly, and latency stays low, especially with your own API key. If you value speed, this is one of its biggest advantages. Step 2. Customization and workflow tools. You can create custom assistants, save prompts, automate workflows, design chat layouts, choose themes, and organize your workspace. For people who use AI daily for writing, coding, or research, these tools truly make a difference. Step 3. Offline storage and privacy control. Typing Mind stores your history locally and lets you control exactly what gets synced or deleted. If privacy matters to you, this is a major benefit over browser-only AI tools. Step 4. AI model flexibility. You can use OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, or any model supported by your API key. This gives Typing Mind a huge advantage in 2026, especially now that AI platforms keep changing pricing and features. Step 5. Limitations and drawbacks. Typing Mind depends on external AI providers. If your API key runs out, lags, or fails, the app can't fix that. Also, the subscription price is higher than some users expect, considering it doesn't include AI credits, just the interface. So is Typing Mind worth trying in 2026? If you want speed, customization, privacy control, and the freedom to use multiple AI models in one place, Typing Mind is absolutely worth it. But if you prefer an all-in-one service where you don't manage API keys or settings, you may find simpler options elsewhere. Overall, Typing Mind remains one of the best AI clients for power users, but the value depends on how deeply you plan to use AI in your workflow. If this review helped you understand whether Typing Mind is right for you, make sure to subscribe to GigaBits. We post new tech reviews every week so you can stay ahead of what's worth trying. Hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and tell me which AI model you use the most. Thanks for watching GigaBits, where we help you choose smarter in the world of AI.